Hi, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to talk to you all about cooking salmon in the air fryer in a nice little marinade that features in air fryer easy every day, and it's just so simple. Some salmon fillets in the supermarket, copy of air fryer easy every day, of course, the garlic and honey, and then I'm loving these little foil trays. I picked these up from B&M. I got a pack of them for just £2.50, but if you're wondering why B&M, it's because they are so deep. Quite a lot of them are really shallow, or they're not the right size, so I'm loving these for the Ninja at the moment. So that's all you really need, you know, maybe a bit of salt and pepper as well, but you know, it's just so simple to cook salmon in your air fryer. So let's get started, shall we? So I'm going to move our cookbook out the way, and of course, if you haven't got yourself a copy yet, do so, because it's so amazing. It's got so many everyday recipes in it, and obviously it's helping you with meal prep as well. We've even got a meal prep chapter. So this is my Ninja Flex drawer. So I like this because I can have the divider in, and I don't have to have the divider in. So if you look there, what I was saying, these little foil trays from B&M are just such a perfect fit. I just can't believe how good they are. So I've got a knife to get myself into this pack of salmon. That when we first started with the air fryer, we lived in Portugal, and they used to have such an amazing deal for a massive fillet of salmon. So Dom used to buy a big one for us, and then debone it for us and portion it up for the freezer, and it was perfect. So there's one bit of salmon, there's the other. These are actually skin on salmon. You can do either or, it really doesn't matter. And these are just a regular pack of them from Tesco's. So let me just wipe my hands a second. And then the great thing about the marinade is you can just spoon some on. So firstly, I'm going to get some salt and pepper going on first. So that's your salt. Then on with your pepper. Oh, can I just say how amazing I think this salmon looks in here? I mean, just look at how two of them so perfectly fit. I'm loving that. That is just so good. So I'm going to keep it zoomed on so you can actually see the marinade. So in it pops. And because it's honey and garlic, it's really easy to drizzle without really needing to make much effort. Some of the ones I've done, like the ones with the Greek yogurt in, they need more effort involved, but look, we just pretty much just covered that there. And that's your salmon there, ready to go on. So as you can see, it looks perfect there. It's going to keep your air fryer lovely and clean as well, which is what you want. And then pop it in. We're going to go with Zone 2 because we're using the right hand side. We're going with air fry. We're going with 190 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And then I'm going to go with just 12 minutes and then press start. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fry beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. And we're done. I'm just waiting for the cool down bit, but I don't wait for it to cool down. I'm too much in a rush. Doesn't that salmon look amazing? I just can't get over how good it looks. See just how good it looks, you know, and how it perfectly fits one drawer. So of course, if you wanted to make this salmon a meal, you could be doing the potatoes and some green beans in the other drawer at the same time as the salmon. It's just perfect, and it's just so easy for everyday cooking in the air fryer, and you can use any of our marinades with this salmon. They all work brilliantly. How easy is it to get it out of the air fryer? Oh, super easy. Grab the foil by the sides. Out it goes. Air fryer is still clean and the salmon is ready for serving. I mean, you can't beat that, can you? And that's just salmon cooked in the air fryer. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.